Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is on mine in a million. It goes on.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today, Kalmar and I are taking our engagement photo. So we're having an engagement photo shoot. And I just want to take you guys along with me with the get ready process. I'll show you guys my full outfit later. Yeah, I'm super excited. We're heading out right now. I got my makeup done by Sani Beauty and I got my hair done by Stush Creations. Yeah, both of ours? Two? Okay, we're about to take a shot. Give you guys a little bit of a backstory to, I guess, our relationship. Just a little tiny little bio. But anyway, if you guys want to see the rest of this video, keep on watching. Also, this hair is sponsored by Ft.Unice hair. I decided to collab with them specifically for my engagement photo shoot because their units are consistent and, you know, and they always come through. But anyway, I'm gonna get going. Continue watching this video if you want to see the whole process. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye. So first off, here's a little backstory to our relationship and like how we got here. Kalmar and I, we met in about grade 10. So we're about 15, 16 years old. So there was a mutual friend that he and I had. It was this guy named Sean. And he basically connected us. He told Kalmar like, hey, there's this girl that goes to my church and I think you'd like her. And he showed up to basically meet me or like see what I looked like. I thought he was cute and clearly he thought the same thing because the next day, Kalmar called me. It was our friend that gave him my number. We literally talked like we'd known each other forever. Like over a few years, we basically built a really strong connection. Really like a safe place, especially for me, but I know it was mutual. It was like judgment free, but at times, I'm not gonna lie, it was like toxic, chaotic. You know, we're so young and immature. But honestly, we grew together so well. We matured together. And now we're our own individuals, but we come together so well. Kalmar proposed to me in 2014 and I was pregnant with Micah. We were pretty much getting our lives together. We didn't have much, couldn't really afford like the wedding that we wanted and we thought that we deserved. All we just knew at that time that like we wanted to spend the rest of our lives together forever. We just knew that. So here we are today, 2022, planning our wedding with our little family, Cassidy and Micah. One thing I learned though is that God's timing is perfect. And honestly, I couldn't imagine doing this at any other time, and in any other way. Let's get into this video. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. It's just me getting ready for my engagement photos. Yeah, leave a comment below if you guys are in like long-term relationships, if you're married or engaged. Let me know what's up, guys. Anyway, let's get into this video. Bye. Thanks again to Ft.Unice here for sponsoring this video. When it was time for planning my engagement photos, Ft.Unice here was definitely the first company I thought to collaborate with in order to get a wig that was a good quality. They're very consistent, reliable. The shipping is fast. And also an extra bonus, I got a beautiful pink robe in my packaging that was different than usual. I also got like a nice good quality hairbrush with their logo on it. Of course, I got wig caps, lashes, and elastic bands, which were definitely useful with preserving my lace and my hair for overnight. Thanks again, Ft.Unice. Don't forget to check the description box below for more details on this unit and their other fabulous units as well. Cut that. So she's scared to cut the little wig. Cut it off, girl. Yeah, I feel like it looks better when it's shorter and curly. So we're gonna comb it out for the gram, for Stush's Instagram page, but we're definitely putting in flexi rods so that we can preserve it for tomorrow. I'm excited. I love the length. I definitely wanted it shorter. It's more manageable and it looks more classy. Yeah. I have engagement photos tomorrow. I'm on my way to the nail store. I'm gonna get my nails refilled. I'll probably do something similar like a French tip or V-cut. I'm so excited to do my engagement photos. It just makes everything a lot more real. We've been together for a long time, so we knew it was gonna happen. It's just a matter of when. Just finished my nails. I did like a traditional French tip. I really like it. It's looking really good. I almost did a V-cut again, but I was like, you know what, let me try something different. And this is not even that different, but I just wanted to do something else. I've never done a traditional French tip before, but I thought these would go well for my photos tomorrow. The only thing I need to do is go to the mall. I just want to get some accessories for my dress, like maybe like a nice layered necklace and like a bracelet. I might not really need it because I know I might have something at home, but I still want to get something different. And also, yeah, my camera just died, but I think I was saying that the only thing I have left to do is my makeup for tomorrow. So everything is pretty much done. I have my outfit. Yeah, I'm really excited. The only thing I'm a little bit nervous about is I like to have control when I'm taking photos. So it's kind of hard to be like the subject and someone else is directing, and I kind of like to know like what I look like while I'm posing. I'm not gonna have that opportunity, so that's what makes me nervous. Okay guys, so it's time for me to like wind down. I need to go take a shower, wash my face and stuff. So I put my Ft.Unice elastic band around my lace. And I'm using this foam roller here that I purchased at Stush's studio. So it's gonna help me like keep the form or the shape of the curls. But I just placed it in the middle, kind of secured it with this clip. And I divided the hair into two sections. So one half got twisted on the other half. And I'm just gonna take my time and twist it the other side over here. I've never used this before, so I'm really hoping and praying that this is actually effective, because that way I won't have to do a lot of curling and styling in the morning. And I know I'm not gonna, if I do it myself, I don't think it'll look as good as when Stush curled it. So I'm really hoping for the best. She also did say that I could come and get it restyled by her in the morning time, but I don't have time for that because I have 2 clients in the morning. Then I gotta get my makeup done. Then we gotta go to the shoot. So this is like honestly something that I'm hoping and praying on. I hope I'm doing it correctly, but we'll only know in the morning. so I just finished my makeup. I'm gonna make my way back home so I can get dressed, and I'll talk to you guys when I get there, and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, and then we're gonna be on our way to the shoot. Bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stay.
Yeah, I'm super excited. We're heading out right now. I got my makeup done by Sunny Beauty, and I got my hair done by Stush Creations. Yeah, both of ours? Two? Okay, we're about to take a shot. Just got a text message from Shanika. Well, I got it earlier, but I was doing hair, but it says, "Hey sis, have fun today. I pray you flow abundantly through each moment and each pose, cause you that wife, okay? LOL, love you." I love you too, Shanika. Thank you so much. You're always so sweet with your words. Like, you have your way with your words. I love it. I always tell you, you write the best cards. Make me want to tear up and stuff, but I can't tear up right now. So thank you so much, Shanika. I appreciate you. Love you. I'll text you back right now. Sorry. Okay guys, so we are at the Ajax Rotary Park. We're here with EJ from OSC Photography
and Drew Anthony Perspective.
Yes, and they're taking our photos today. They are coming out so good so far. You guys are gonna love it when you see them. But yeah, continue watching the process, and I'll show you guys the final look, of course.
Both of you guys big smile for this one.
Cold, guys. It's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? How you feeling, Callie?
I'm good.
You good? Okay.
Semi-formalish, and then throw off the jacket, then I look completely different. Sporty.
Okay. Alright guys. Callie, do you want to say anything?
Wow, today was fun.
Is it?
First experience.
First?
Last experience.
What, for engagement photos?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, but...
it was cold as hell, but...
Yeah, it was cold.
I enjoyed myself, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So yeah, I had fun today.
Me too. I can't wait to see how the photos turn out.
I anticipate they're gonna turn out well.
You do? Based on the shots that he showed us?
The shots, us, the scenery. I think it's gonna be alright.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I think so too. Yeah. Usually I don't like photo shoots because I don't have control, but I think they did a great job. I'm gonna leave their information below, or even on the screen here. OSC Photography was EJ, and then there was another guy. I'll put his name below here too, and they're part of the wedding group. They're also going to be taking photos for our wedding. Yeah, so once again, thank you to Ft.Unice here for sponsoring this video. Thank you to Stush Creations for slaying my unit. Sunny Beauty on the makeup, And I know I didn't say much about the dress I was wearing, but it was from Runway, the label, and I'm gonna leave all of the details to that below, as well as Calmer's fit if anyone's interested. He has some nice sneakers on today, a nice Zara blazer. But anyway, enough rambling. I'm gonna close out this video here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.